Hello, students. Welcome back after almost 1 month of the break. I hope you all must have done your exams well. Let us start the next chapter of your book. Students, all of you be regular in your studies. Do your work on time and be regular in doing your homework too. Now, let us start with the next chapter, chapter 4, multiplication. So, take out your copies and write the date. Chapter 4, multiplication. First of all, what is multiplication? Question is, what is multiplication? The repeated addition of the same number is called multiplication. Children, you have to write this in the copy. Now the question arises, are we supposed to learn this? Yes, of course you have to learn. Maybe it comes in paper. Let us understand the concept with an example. Suppose you have a collection of balls here. Okay? And I'm asking you, how many balls are there? Here, you have the method of counting the number of balls like 1, 2, 3, 4 and you can tell me the answer. But I will say it in a different way. See, how many balls are these? 3. In this group, 3. Here, similarly, in all the groups we have 3 balls. When we'll add all these, we'll get 15. Means, by adding 3 multiple times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, we are getting 15. 3 plus 3, 6. Then 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 3, 15. Now here, we have to make this work more easier. And that easy way is to do the multiplication. Now here, we will introduce the concept of multiplication. Instead of adding all the numbers and getting the answers, we have to see that how many times the number is getting repeated. Here, 3 is getting repeated how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, we can write it 3 multiplied by 5. Now, we have to speak the table of 3 till 5. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12 and 3 fives are 15. So, we are getting the answer 15. Now, here, the first method we are having here multiplying a 3-digit number by a single-digit number. The first concept is this for you. Here I will tell you how you can multiply a 3-digit number with a single-digit number. I have taken an example here. 412 multiplied by 2. Now here I have done it in 3 steps. Beta see, we have to take the ones place first. Here I have written O, ones place. First of all, we have to take the table of the number which is given in the lower side. Here the number is 2, means we have to take the table of 2 and we have to multiply this 2 with these numbers one by one. Now first turn is of ones place. 2 twos are 4. Now next step is to see the digit at tens place. Now at tens place we have 1. So we have to write first of all whatever we did in the first step, the same way we will write here. Then 2 we have to multiply with 1. 2 ones are 2. Now the next step will be to multiply 2 with the digit at 100 place. Now here at 100 place we have 4. So as we have done in last 2 steps, the same way it will be written over here. And now 2 fours are 8. So the answer is 824. Children, this is the explanation how we are multiplying. Okay, but when you will do a question, you are not supposed to write all these steps. You just have to write like this. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Here the next number is 2 we have to multiply with 1. 2 ones are 2. Then last one is 2 fours are 8. So the answer is 824.